This seat is reserved for the government whip, who's chosen as a marshal or team manager for their side of the House. They organise the list of party members who are going to debate the bills and speak on other business. They've also got to keep checking where and how many members are available for voting on important matters. The whip seats are the only ones with a telephone, so that they can contact members who are not in the chamber or maybe put a call through to the Parliament's public address system. Along with other duties, the whips are usually appointed as tellers during divisions when the House divides into yes and no positions. They then tally or count up all the votes on their side of the House. The opposition on the other side of the chamber also have a designated whip. The term whip comes from the world of fox hunting, where the whipper-in uses a dog whip to keep the hunting hounds in control and stop them straying from the pack. In a sense, parliamentary whips are keeping control of their side of the House. Luckily, in their roles, they don't need to use a real whip.